Hey guys, so I am doing Vlogmas this year for YouTube just to see what it's like, just to have fun with it. So I am creating the intro that I want to use for all of my Vlogmas videos. And what I did was just take footage that I've used in the past for our holidays. Actually, these are all from last year. So just using footage that I had in my phone. I just put it all together in like a compilation. Um, this is a time lapse of us putting up the tree, and then our infamous Christmas reel that we posted last year. I think I'm gonna post that separately as well. Just some cute Christmas tree photos and then Christmas breakfast. So I am making this intro because I'm doing Vlogmas. Gonna try to do 25 days. So I actually just created um, intro cute little graphic on Canva. So I'm about to download the graphic. I did use animation, so it's an MP4 3D. Let me rename this. So it is an MP4 video. Make sure it's MP4. Download that. And then once that's done downloading, we're just gonna pop it into iMovie. Now that we have that, we're gonna get that download that I just downloaded. We're gonna put it on top. After checking the speed of the video, after speeding them up on iMovie, they give you a little rabbit, let you know you sped it up. I recently downloaded some music from YouTube Studio. I love a good hip hop beat, like anything hip hop. I don't know why. I just love it. So let's see what this sounds like.